Here's your smallest Coke truck I've ever seen. Tuesday afternoon, 3:30 p.m. Right around city center here, one of the side streets. Next to the college over here. College is on our left. So from all the way down at the end of this block, over there, for an entire block square, is the Department of Public Education, the country of Mexico. Here we go. All right, we're looking at these trees here. I wonder what kind of trees. So what kind of trees do you call these?
We call them ficus or trueno. Either way, ficus or trueno.
Anything special about them?
No, it's just shade, good shade.
Good shade trees. Is it ficos with an F?
With an F,
Ficos.
Ficus
Ficos.
or trueno.
Trueno.
Bueno, damas y caballeros, como verán, ¿verdad? No soy tan profesional.
He's hungry again.
No matter where you are in the world.
Uno de costilla y uno de suadero.
Vaya a comer, pase, sea bienvenido.
¿Qué le damos? Porrita, pambazo, guarache, sope, páselo.
Lots of tourist traps. Now, my Mexican friends won't eat out of any of the street vendor stands. Me personally, I've ate out of all kind of stuff and never had a problem. The only time I've had a problem is when I eat inside of some restaurants. But I don't know what to tell you. I do love their traffic lights, though. I mean, check this out. Is that cool or what? I love it. So you go to hardware stores here, a lot of times you walk up, tell them what you want, they'll get it to you. So they do away with the pickpocketing issues. It's kind of like a drive-through window. But you have to know what you're asking for, and then it seems like half the time they don't know what you're asking for. Not sure what he's looking for here, but we're going to try to figure it out. What are you looking for? I don't know. That's my friend. He's on his own program sometimes. Yeah, come over here and die crossing the street. I'm doing a commentary about you. I said, that's my friend. He's on his own program. Yeah, come over here and die crossing the street.
I thought I'm waiting for me. I was just talking to
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I wanted to ask the buses if they go to the Angel.
Oh, okay. So he's going to ask the buses where they're headed. It helps to know the language. Or read the words on the front, I guess. Buena Vista, Ruta Norte. Just walking around here a couple of blocks from Zacatecas. About 4:30-ish, I would say. Get all kind of little knickknacks and cars. Pretty much all kind of stuff. Pretty glasses. Oh, it's a bar. The dresses here are super cheap compared to the U.S. How well they'd look, or last rather, I don't know. Of course, if you bought something like that, I don't think you'd be wearing it, but maybe once in your life, maybe twice. It's like a whole street of wedding dresses. And now we have a whole section of bridesmaid uniforms. 12,500 pesos for the blue dress. $12,000 for the pink, $10,500 for the purple. $25,500 for that one right there. That's about $1,500. $7,450 pesos for the blue. $3,350 for the little red one. $900 for this one. $9,950 for that one. It's about $700. So lots of different price ranges, of course. It's just a whole street full of stuff. Okay, so I was told that these dresses are quinceañera, all those poofy dresses like that. So, quinceañera dresses. So here's some for $1,000 to $3,000 in that shop. Those are really pretty. Look at those. Okay, so we're waiting on the traffic. We're waiting for the light to turn. They let you actually walk without dying. That's nice. $15.30.
$1,500.
Rich people houses from a long time ago. So this is the archives, historical archives in Mexico City, 1645 to 1700. If you come in here and you can ask specific questions, they will let you look at the archives all the way back as far as they have them, but there's no videos inside, so they shut me down. Anyway, very beautiful place. And if you wanted to say so beautiful or how beautiful, you could say tan bonita, Tanbonita. So very ornate, very beautiful. Okay, city center, Zocalo, about 10 p.m. on a Tuesday night. It's like you take a lot better pictures in the day for the most part. It's a little bit hazy out here, a little bit foggy, so the lights kind of blur more.